Well, hey there, welcome back to Sherubin's activities. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to draw some cute lips. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the things you need for this are a blending stump and a pencil and an eraser and a scale if you want, but we're not just gonna use a scale today. So what we need to do is to draw a curve like this. Okay, so like this. And now we keep two dots. So bring up a lift like that and another lift like that. Okay, and it's done. So what we need to do now is to draw the upper lip, which usually need to be dark in shading, because in real life if you examine the lips, they're facing down. So I'll just shade it a little dark. Well, I'm shading it lighter because my blending stumps make it dark. You obviously can use a earbud or your finger for this. And now the lower lip. So I try to make the lower lip as large as possible, and I don't really join the lips like till here. I just keep them simple and neat, and I just draw a shadow below. Okay, and like this, and that is it. Whoa, don't be in a hurry to leave. So we're gonna be drawing some juicy, beautiful lips. So we just have to leave this tiny gap in here, and I'm just gonna draw a highlight like an oval. Because when you're like having something like a lip balm on your lips start to shine. I hope you've noticed that. So yeah, that's it. I just have to blend it with a blending stump. Now I think this upper lip is not dark enough, so I just press up the blending stump all over it. Yay! And this got a little light. Okay. Oh wow, this looks so pretty on this girl. And that's it. We've completed drawing such pretty lips. So I hope this video was useful for you, and I hope you try out these lips, and don't forget to watch my earlier videos on drawing these two face parts. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 face parts. So, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and I'll meet you in the new video. Until then, it's bye from Sherubin.